I'm just going to give you a quick forecast on what I think was going to happen on euro dollar. And I mean, it's already happened, but I'm just going to give you a quick forecast anyway. So coming into the session, we are definitely bearish. As you can see, heavy momentum. And this is my drawn liquidity. That's the price right there. Then we're also in this huge fair value gap too. We can just draw that out. Oops. We've got that massive fair value gap there. On the hour time frame, as you can see, we're displacing heavily, right? This is really, really strong momentum. So that's another bearish sign. Then what I'll be looking for, there's also a swing high there, which is like a prime thing for a liquidity sweep. So we could see that being swept and then a move down, or, you know, just a move up past the Asian high, sweeping that and then going down as well. But dropping down to the 15 minute, what can we see? We have a swing high right there, liquidity. We have a swing high right there, liquidity as well. So two areas that are possible reversal points, okay? We could come here, tap it, sweep the liquidity, and then go down. So these are really good areas for liquidity sweeps. And I could be looking for an entry right there, a move up, get my entry model, and then a move down. But let's see what happens. So skipping to 2 a.m. Okay, so as you can see, 2:15, we go in, sweep this liquidity on the 5 minute, and we can start looking for our entry model then. On the 4 minute as well, we can start looking. Do we get a break of structure? Yep, there we go. Break of structure right there. And we have a fair value up right there. Also, it's above the midnight opening price, so selling above the midnight opening price is very high probability, and it will change your trading, so make sure to do that. But the Asian low, which is right there, was taken out. There. Asian low gets taken out and we are not in the trade. So when the Asian low, the opposite side of liquidity gets taken out and you're not in the trade, just remove the trade, because what sometimes happens is we sweep the Asian low and then during New York session, it comes up and takes out the high. Okay, we don't want that. So if you miss the move and if you're not tagged in, then that's just how it is. Come back the next day and try again. But I mean, you can try yourself. From my back testing personally, it doesn't really work. But yep, try that yourself and let me know how it goes. But that was a forecast, and yeah, so no trade today. Pretty much, yeah. I will see you tomorrow.